2, 3, Betty shoot, Betty shoot, Betty shoot, Betty shoot, shoot, Betty shoot, Betty shoot, Betty shoot. The virus got Tom Hanks and Rita Wilson too. It's got Idris Elba. I don't know what to do. But there's one for which we must fight. Defend her with all our might. Betty White. I fight all day and all night. Betty White. You're our beacon of light. Shoot, do, Betty shoot, do, Betty shoot, do, Betty shoot. Our American treasure is older than sliced bread.
Wait, you can't say that about Betty White.
I mean that in a good way, cause if we lose her, we might as well be dead. Stay at home until this ends. To thank you for being a friend. Betty White. Our future won't be so bright without Betty White. This song is totally tied. We need our golden girl to save our messed up world. And if you cough on her, I swear I will pull both of your infected lungs out of your chest, throw one on the ground and stomp on it, then fill the other up with Pop Rocks, and then fill that up with Diet Coke. And throw it.
That is way too much, like a lot.
Just don't cough on but Betty White. 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 Better, 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 Betty White.
We love you, Betty White.
Why would they cough on her?
Stay healthy out there.